Properties of water. Choose the correct answer to each of the following questions. Draw a circle around the letter of the correct answer to each question. Which process makes ice become liquid in a hot day? It's melting. When you keep an ice outside during summers, it turns into liquid. Which answer shows the process of melting? Solid plus heat gives liquid is the process for melting. Which answer shows the process of boiling? Liquid plus heat gives gas. For example, boiling water. When you boil water, which is a liquid, due to the heat, it turns into gas, that is the water vapor. Which of the following does not happen when you freeze water? It expands. When you freeze water, the water or the liquid does not expand to form ice. Arun put a block of ice on a saucer. Make a drawing to show the ice cube after 2 minutes and after 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, the ice cube slightly melts and you can see the water. But after 10 minutes, the ice cube completely melts and turns into water. What has happened to the ice? It has melted. Why did this process occur? It melted because the solid ice particles gained enough heat energy to escape from the solid and change into the liquid water. At what temperature does this process start to happen? At 0 degrees Celsius. What do we call this temperature? It's called the melting point because at this point the ice starts to melt. Sophia's class investigated boiling. These are the results. Pure water was 100 degrees Celsius, salty water was 101 degrees Celsius, milk is 102 degrees Celsius, sugar water is 101 degrees Celsius, and tap water is 101 degrees Celsius. These are the temperature at which the water or the liquid boils. What do we call the temperature at which a liquid boils? Boiling point. Which liquid boils at the highest temperature? Milk. It's 102 degrees Celsius. At what temperature does pure water boil? 100 degrees Celsius. Does water always boil at the same temperature? How do you know this? No. For example, the tap water, salty water, and the sugar water boils at different temperatures as compared to pure water. Use the results to suggest a reason for this. When we add any other substance to water, such as salt or sugar, then the boiling point of the water changes. Why can't you cook a hard-boiled egg on Mount Everest? You may have to do some research to find out. On Mount Everest, the water boils at 70 degrees Celsius. Egg yolks cook hard at 65 degrees Celsius, but the egg whites must reach to 85 degrees Celsius before they become hard. So the egg yolk will be able to cook on the Mount Everest, however the egg white cannot.